Hi students! Texas STAAR is proud to be a part of your STAAR exam preparation program. Our digital workbook platform is simple to navigate and easy to use. Let's get started. Before you open your Texas STAAR student app, go to the settings on your iPad. Under the General tab, switch your multitasking gestures from on to off. This will prevent you from exiting the app by mistake. Next, open your app. Use the login and password that have been provided to you by your teacher or parent. Once you have logged in, click on the respective folder to reach the digital workbook you want to work on. For instance, let's find 4th grade Math Book 1. Use your stylus to swipe up or down on the book covers until you find your book. As you can see, 4th grade math has 2 books. Simply tap the cover to open your book. On the first page, you'll need to enter your name and your teacher's name. To do so, tap on the gear icon on the top menu bar. Tap on either name to enter each. Let's also go over the rest of the icons on the navigation bar before we go over student workflow. To the upper left, the first 2 icons you'll see are undo and redo. This will undo or redo the last mark you made with your stylus. Next to those, you'll see an X. The X will either clear your page or reset your page. The next icon, the palette, controls your writing color, thickness, and style. Here you have 10 colors and 3 line thicknesses to choose from. The palette to the right may be tapped to turn on or off the watercolor function. This makes your marks solid or transparent. Next, you'll find the eraser tool. This tool makes your stylus act as an eraser. Next, to the very right of your navigation bar, you'll see the next page and previous page arrows. These help you to easily navigate from page to page. Next, let's look at the paper icon, which brings up your individual student assessment results profile. This bar graph indicates how you are doing on your practice exams. If you swipe to the right on the 2 dots above and to the right of the graph, you will reach a chart showing how you are doing per TEKS. It shows your number of correct, incorrect, blank, total, and percentage correct questions per TEKS. The next icon, the gear, is the same place you entered your name and teacher name. This icon also offers wrist protection, which you should leave on. Turn on or off the right-handed choice according to which hand you use. So if you are left-handed, turn this off. Next, the book icon controls workbook navigation. Use this menu to more quickly navigate through your workbooks and to exit a book to get to a new book. However, don't skip around unless instructed to do so. These workbooks are best when done from beginning to end. The next icon, the check mark, is used to check your work when you reach your answer pages. As you can see here, you can see your highlighted or written answers along with the correct answers. To record your answers, click on the check mark. Tap yes if you got it correct and no for incorrect. Make sure to tap the check button to record your answers for your results profile. Here you can see the percentage you have correct on your 4.1a practice test. Now, let's go over student workflow. While going through your practice tests, simply highlight the answer you believe to be correct with your stylus. Then, on your answer pages, check your work. Remember to always click the check button to record your work. After you are done with each practice test, you can check your progress on your individual student assessment results profile. As you can see, the graph is color-coded to indicate areas that need improvement. Remember, you can also swipe the dots to the right for more info on your progress. Do not go back to question pages after you have already seen the answer pages. If you do, you will not be able to write on the pages, and answers viewed will be stamped on the page. A teacher or parent will need to use a password to unlock this for you. Other than practice tests, there is also manipulative exercises. Many of these are done with other students, and many will have varying answers. You will also do logic exercises. These may also be checked on the answer pages, but will not be included in the assessment profile. Simply check your answers and review. When you complete a book, you will reach an end of workbook page that tells you if there is another workbook to continue on to. If so, just tap on your workbook icon and tap New Book. If you still have any questions, ask a parent or teacher for help. Good luck, students!